So hello students, hope you are doing well. So in the today's videos we will discuss about the what are the five major projects in the digital VLSI, front end VLSI especially, right? Right now we will focus on front end VLSI. In the coming videos we will discuss about the backend or the analog projects also, fine. But in this video we will discuss about the front end, that is RTL and verification especially, right? So let's see what are the skills required for the what are the skills required you have to learn for before implementing any projects in the design and verification, RTL design and verification, front end VLSI. This is digital. Yeah, digital electronics. Right. So digital electronics is required, Verilog is required, system Verilog is required, and UVM is required. By these two skills, you can at least complete implement the basic things. Even if you want to implement in the VSDL, if you are learning anyone, that is also fine. But I will suggest go for Verilog. I will suggest go for Verilog. Verilog is MNCs are using Verilog maximum, right? Some startups are working in the VSDL also, but I will suggest go for Verilog. Fine. So, but in the some of the colleges also they are focusing on VSDL, right? In the old syllabus, in the old curriculum of the colleges, they are focusing on the VSDL. But Verilog is simple, you can learn it. By these two skills also, you can implement some of the RTL part. But for the verification part, you have to learn all these two skills also, that is system LOE and UVM, right? So yeah, so we will going to see the projects, what are the requirement of the projects. So if we talk about mini projects, what are the projects you have to do in the first before implementing any big projects, right? These are also you have to do. It is not like that you are going directly to the major projects, right? Because if you don't implement the mini projects, then and you directly go to the major projects, you may not feel confident, right? So instead write a small code, then before going for the big code, right? So mini projects are very important also for the BTech second year, third year, or the MTech first semester student, right? So what are the mini projects? So welding machine, and these are FSM based, finite state machine based projects maximum, right? Logic is depending on the problem statement we change the logic, but this is completely based on FSM, right? Welding machine, digital clock, then we have the traffic light controller, this is also FSM. We have the dual port RAM and single port RAM project, right? This is also very good project. Then boot multiplier, this is algorithm based projects, right? So these are some of the good projects for the start beginning, right? So I will suggest at least 2 to 3 projects you have to do before going for the major projects, right? At least 2 projects you have to write in the resume also, right? If we talk about the major projects that companies majorly focus, right? Company give the preference to the like bigger projects like SOC level projects, or which are the protocol based project, right? So if we see major projects, so design part you can learn using Verilog, but if you want to verify, you have to learn system alone UVM also, right? So I will suggest if you have the skills in Verilog, then learn system alone UVM also for the verification purpose. Because if you are learning only design part, then the knowledge is incomplete. You had even if you are targeting RTL design, at least basics of system alone UVM you should know, right? Because it will help you in the growth only in your company, right? So FIFO, if we talk about FIFO, first in come first out, FIFO, asynchronous FIFO and synchronous FIFO. First implement the synchronous FIFO, and then implement the asynchronous FIFO. You have to do, fine. Both are important, both are very important. If you are doing only synchronous FIFO and you are ignoring the asynchronous FIFO, because in the interview if you write the FIFO in your resume, they will ask you about both the FIFOs. It is not like that they will ask you about the synchronous FIFO and they will leave you, right? They will ask about the asynchronous FIFO. At least have the theoretical knowledge about asynchronous FIFO also, fine. So my next project is UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter Protocol, right? This is a communication protocol, very important. If you're writing in a project in a resume, you will have the extra advantage over other candidates, right? Okay, next is also communication protocol, SPI, serial peripheral interface, right, protocol. So this is also one kind of communication protocol. Then we have the I2C, inter sorry yeah, my next project is I2C, inter integrated circuit protocol, right? This is also very good projects. This is also communication protocol, right? These three kind of protocol are quite similar logic wise, functionality wise, right? But uh, but the signals, all these things are different, but the functionality is quite similar, right? So if you are doing one project, like say you are implementing SPI, it is very easy that you can learn the UART very easy at I2C also. And I also, if you are implementing, let's say UART only, right, UART only in a resume, and at least they will expect a theoretical knowledge about SPI, I2C, I3C also. So if you are writing any one of these projects, at least go through the theoretical part of the other projects also, because these are quite similar and they will expect the at least basic functionality also. They will ask instead of these projects what you can implement, what you can do, what is the other device you can use, what is the other protocol you can use instead of this, right? So at least the basic knowledge about the other protocol is also required if you're writing one projects also, right? Theoretical knowledge at least, fine. Then the amba is very important, advanced uh, microcontroller bus architecture. So there are different and etc also. So there are many protocol in this category, right? So first learn about the architecture, of this. And we have the advanced peripheral bus interface. This is the very basic, you have to learn it. If you are learning about amba, then it is very simple, that is FSM based only. Then we have the advanced system bus, advanced extensible interface. This is also important. This have the different version also, like 4.3 something like that. And we have the advanced high speed high performance bus. So advanced high performance bus. So these are the multiple projects you can write here, right? You can write also APB to AXI bridge, right? Something like that, right? So we can implement a multiple projects here, right? But I will suggest at least you can focus on this, at least, fine. At least the detailed knowledge of this, at least the code of this you should know, right? And the theoretical part of this is very important. And if you have the time, then this project is very good. This project is very good. Yeah. And theoretical knowledge about the relatively other components also you should know, right? And the architecture part is very important, right? So this is all about the front-end VLSI projects, right? Other than that also, if you have any other suggestion for the projects, then write down in the comment section. We will add you in the further videos, right? So thank you, all the best. If you have any doubt, any queries, feel free to WhatsApp us, or you can download the app, download the VLSI for all app, download VLSI for all app. There are a lot of free content in the app. App is available on Play Store, App Store, Windows, fine. And if you have any personal query regarding anything, regarding mentorship, regarding anything, feel free to contact on this number 964 070 368. Within 2 days, we will going to call you and we will discuss your queries, right? So thank you, all the best. Have a nice day. Bye.